Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Oakley crankshafts. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn your frame around, like if you're going to put it on, like this. Once you've done that, I like to rotate my frame at a 90-degree angle. It just makes it easier to work this way. Now we're going to locate sections here and here of your frame, and we're going to pull out on these sections as we push the lens forward to unseat it. Let's go ahead and pull out with these back fingers, push forward with your thumbs to unseat the lens. Like that. Now during the lens removal, if you do hear a pop, do not be alarmed. It's completely normal. It's just the lens unseating itself from the grooves of the frame. Let's do the same thing to this side. Locate sections here and here, and we're going to pull out on the frame as we push the lens forward to unseat it. Give it another shot. Perfect. And now to install your new Seek Optic lenses, turn your frames around like this. Have them facing towards you. Once you've done that, go ahead and locate the inside grooves of the frame. Now with the crankshaft, I like to start off with the top corner here. We're going to take our lenses and line up our lens to that top corner and groove here. Today I'm going to be installing my new Revo emerald green lenses, just to kind of give these frames a little bit more color. So let's go ahead and line up our lens. And once you've done that, you're just going to push down on the lens or inward to get it to lock in. Now you should hear a popping sound like that. Run your thumbs along the edges of the lens just to make sure it's seated in there correctly. And we're going to do the same thing to this side. Locate your groove, line up your lens, and then push it down to get it to seat in. Perfect. Now once you've done that, go ahead and take your Seek Optics microfiber cloth and give it a nice little wipe down, just to make sure that you're removing any debris, any oils or dirt that might have stayed after the installation. Like this. Perfect. And now you're good to go. Once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses into your frame, we would love to see how you've customized your look to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag Seek Optics. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And of course, if you do have any further questions or concerns about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.